So question number 5, we were given f of x is equals to x squared minus 4x, and x is greater or equals to 2. So what do we want to do? We want to find the inverse of f. So it's going to be the same procedure. You just let f of x to be x squared minus 4x, and x is greater or equals to 2. Now with this, we have to set y to be equals to x squared minus 4x, and we try to solve for x. Now in this case, if you try to take x as a common factor, it means that you can now divide both sides by x minus 4, x minus 4. So you can see here you will have y, x minus 4, and here you will have just x. But this is not correct because you are solving for x in terms of y. So, but you cannot have x on the left-hand side and also have x here, right? So it means that we have to solve it differently. And how do you solve this differently? Simply, you write this as a perfect square, or you convert this general form to standard form. So just use completing the square. Now, how do you complete the square? This is x squared. The coefficient of x is minus 4. Half of it is minus 2. So you have to square it. So it means you have to square minus 2. And also you add the square of minus 2, and also you remove the square of minus 2. Now, this will give you x squared minus 4x plus 4, then minus 1, minus 4. So clearly, what do we have left? This 3 term is equivalent to x minus what? Minus 2 all squared. Then you have minus 4, right? Now this is y. So now we can solve for x in terms of y. Y plus 4 is x minus 2 all squared. Then we can take the roots of both sides. Now this will give us root of y plus 4, and this will give us absolute value of x minus 2. Now note that we have a condition on x, and that condition is x greater or equals to 2. So because x is greater or equals to 2, we know that here is always going to be positive. So this is root of what? Y minus 4, and this is just going to be x minus 2. So from here, we can solve for x. So what is x? X is just going to be root of y plus 4, then plus 2. Now we can interchange between x and y. So you have y is x plus 4 plus 2. Now we can remove y and put f inverse of x. So this is f inverse of x is equals to root of x plus 4 plus a 2. Now, what will be the domain? The domain of f inverse. You see, this is a root function, so this cannot be what? Cannot be negative. So it means the condition will be x greater equals to what? Minus 4. So that will be the domain of f inverse. So how did I get x greater? Just set x plus 4 to be greater equals to 0. You will get x greater equals to minus 4. Or you look for the range of the original function. So the answer is B, not A. So take note of that.